know. And I am counting down the days to our Europe trip. I can't wait. Yeah. Okay, cool. Bye. Bye. You're going to Europe? Where all you going, man? Yes, and I'm so excited, Auntie Mags. Gosh, it's a girls' trip. All girls only? My, that's a very good idea. I know, right? It's gonna be epic, Auntie Mags. First, we start at the most romantic city in the world. We sit at those quaint, cute street side cafes and we drink vino all day. Then we go to the Roma. And we go sightseeing and we see the art and architecture, and then handsome men will scream, Bella, oh bellissima, as we pass by. Then we go to Germany. We start in Berlin and we head to Say no more, Baba, say no more. I'm coming. I'm in, man, count me in. You know how long I've been waiting to do this kind of holiday without these buggers, Silu and Bosco? They foil all my plans, man. They have their own ideas about what to do on a holiday. I want to go for a musical. That's why they want to go for a football match, man. Yeah. But this way, all of us girls will want the same thing, no? Why? But, Auntie Mags, this is a backpacking trip. So what I got to do with that? Pack or front pack, man. Along we pack and we go. Auntie Mags, we won't be staying at a hotel. You know that, right? We'll be staying at a hostel because this is a really low budget trip. God, man, you said that. That was the only thing niggling at my brain. I said, this will become very expensive, no, for me. When I said low budget, very good. This is the best part, man. Now we get to see how they live in that side of the world. Yeah, exactly. Experiencing new things, trying new things, new cultures. You know what they say, right? When in Rome, do as the Romans do. You know what? I can't wait for us to try those Italian specialities, tartare and fiorentino. Tartare, what? What is that? Oh, that's their raw meat dish. Raw means they don't cook it at all? No, not at all. And then we'll go and explore the full city. We'll just keep walking and walking and walking. And then we'll go see the Eiffel Tower and we'll climb to the top. Wait, what you said? Climbing? All 1,710 steps, Auntie Mags. 1,007? Suddenly, I don't feel like going, man, on this holiday. Who's going to climb that many steps and eat raw meat? Yeah. But now, look at your face, man. She looks so excited that I'm coming. How to tell her that I don't want to come now? And cancel that like a canceller. I think I'll suffer, but for the sake of Millie, I'll go on this holiday, man. Yeah. I'll come, Baba, I'll come. Oh, but Auntie Mags, you know what? Two of the girls that I was supposed to go with on this trip, they just messaged me and they cancelled, and I don't even know why they cancelled, but I'm so disappointed the trip is off. Why? Why they cancel, man? Sorry. Just see, and I was just looking forward to this trip, man. Hey guys, if you've enjoyed watching me play Auntie Maggie and Millie, then hit that subscribe button, and also don't forget to push the button, that little bell which is right next to the subscribe button. That helps you get notifications every time I upload a new video. So if you've been enjoying it as much as I've enjoyed making these videos for you, let's keep this thing going. What do you say? Okay, come on, do it now. I'm waiting, still waiting.